Can I pause it? Alright, so I have these items here that I got 2 months ago, which I totally forgot about until the other day. And now I have to dispose the parcel because, you know, it's dirty and stuff. We're gonna open this. This is so obvious, as you can see. It is a key holder. Coach monogram. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, it's a little bit. Okay, let me just work around it. Hang on. All right. So, as you can see, it has a 5-pin key slot, and then this round ring here. This is so tight, and it's so difficult for me to pull it up. It's gonna ruin my nails. So, okay, so that's that. Where's my... Okay, so that's that. It is as big as my Louis Vuitton pouch key clay. Okay, I'm gonna try this. The good thing about this is that I can hang key chain, key ring. This is key rings, a key chain here, some keys here, and I only have about 2, 3 maybe. And then I can put my card here, another one here, and here at the back. So it's very versatile. That's that. Okay, now these 2 here. Let me use my right hand with this. Okay, these are keychains, bag charms, keychains, whatever you want to call it. And I can't remember what's in here. Oh my god, it's so cute. You're so cute. Let's put it there. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. This little golden bear. It's heavy. It is heavy though. Yeah, it's heavy. But it is so adorable. And it turns. It turns. Yeah, it does. It does turn. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's just too heavy. Well, I have been collecting adorable keychains like this. It has a star eye. One eye is a star, the other one's covered. And what does it have? I can't really see it. A bow. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, and a necklace charm. How cute is this? Love it. Okay, we love that. Put it away. Let's put that here. Okay, this last one. Can't remember what that is. I hope it's cute too. Well, it is gonna be cute for sure. Just can't remember what's in here. Oh my. Oh yeah. This is my second piece. I already have this attached to my bag, and it's so cute. And I thought I want to add more. Oh, by the way, I ordered this from Coach USA website. Yeah, so it is not available in Singapore. Well, we do have it here. I think the ones that we have here are pure gold. Everything's gold, like the cherries and the leaves here. Everything was gold. It's $180. Dang, dang, dang. Too exy. I got this for only $30. So it's so cute. So there we go. There we have it. I'm so happy. What if I put that here? Let's try. It's gonna be too big, but let's attach this cute little berry. Cute little berry. Ah, so nice. Like, imagine me holding this. and walking around somewhere. Oh, that's ugly. Let's hide it. Walking around somewhere with my little teddy. Or stick it out. And put this one here. Attach this one. It's much bigger. Alright. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That. It's so cute. Right. Okay. So thus we have